beauties, I hope you all well. So today's video, as you see already from the title, is going to be a tutorial rather than a review. This is basically my go-to glam. This is a makeup look I create if I'm in a rush or I just, don't have idea of what makeup look I want to go for. So yeah, this is my go-to makeup look. So I think without any further ado, let's just start, right? Alright, so first thing that I always do, I prep my face. I did this already, so I used the Revolution Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. Also did my brows using this Makeup Obsession So Fine Brown Pencil. So after that, what I do, I always prep my eyes. So I'm just gonna put a few dots of the concealer. This is Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in situ. I used the Stylish makeup sponge. This one has like a peach fuzz going on in here, so this doesn't absorb as much product. So next thing I do, I set this concealer up. So I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So I'm gonna go with the palette that I usually use for this makeup look. So it's Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions, but it's just like a nice brown color. So any palette that we have similar shades will do, but you can tell which shades I use the most. Basically, we're gonna use these two shades mostly. So the orangey and light brown. So I'm gonna start from light brown and then we're gonna add this orangey color. Just going as my transition color, tapping some at first on the outer corner and then going same brush with the same product that's on into the crease, like higher than the creases. First part is complete. Now I'm gonna take the orange color. I'm gonna go once again outer corners, like concentrate on the outer corners, and then what's left on the brush, drag into the crease part. A little bit going to the mobile lid, middle, and then what's left. I literally love this look because it's so easy to create and doesn't take much time like blending or anything like this. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this light color. I'm gonna go in the eye corner to mobile it. So using the same brush, because this is like my speedy makeup look. So I'm not changing the brushes even, just using the same one. Just tapping the color on. And this part is up. Alright, so next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. So because this is my speedy look, you can skip the eyeliner or you can just go with eyeliner very close to the lash line and skip like a flick part. I'm so used to doing the eyeliner on my super Huda eyes that I'm doing this even when I'm in a rush. Sometimes it doesn't go as good as I planned to, so I need to, do a thicker liner or smaller or whatever, so I just go with a flow usually. But if you're struggling with eyeliner, as I said, just go super close to the lash line and kind of work it into the lash line, and that should do. Alright, so the eyeliner is on. So to anyone who will say that, oh, your eyeliner is weird shape, it's because I have Huda eyes. When my eyes are open, eyeliner is okay. When I close, it goes in this pattern, because otherwise, when my eyes are open, if I would do a straight line, it's just you wouldn't see it. It would be, half covered. So because my eyes are so hooded and I kind of want, conceal this part, I don't want this to be super visible when I blink. So what I'm gonna do, I'll take this darker brown color and go exactly on that part. Kind of smudge it, just on the outer corner where this liner is. Kind of just blend this color around, Honestly, this is like the fastest and the easiest makeup look. So what's left to do is just to apply mascara or falsies. It's completely up to you. So I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes and go with mascara. So for my mascara, I'm going with NYX Worth a Hype mascara, my current favorite actually. Alright, so mascara is on. Next thing, sometimes I do, sometimes don't, is the falsies. I'm not going for full-on falsies, I go for magnetic accents. Usually it's these by Ardell. Absolutely love it. It's so easy to apply. You know, in fact, I'm gonna do it because why not? I did a separate video even for how to apply the magnetic falsies, but it's just so simple, like. And the reason I'm saying like sometimes I do, sometimes don't, it depends how much time I have, but then these takes literally seconds. Sometimes if I even don't have like a pair of tweezers next to me, I just apply using my fingers. So first I'm kind of curl the band a bit. Hopefully you'll be able to see. So I'll put top layer first, like top part of the lashes, just in place where I want it to be. I don't want it to hang too much on the outer corner. I want it to end somewhere here because otherwise my eyes look too droopy, because I have hooded eyes and like naturally hooded eyes looks a bit too droopy. So that's why I'm going closer, like I'll finish it in here. Sometimes when I'm in a rush, I don't really bother to take a tweezer, so what I do, take a cotton bud. This one is made from paper, by the way, if you're wondering. So I press the top lashes on in a place where I want it to be and go under the lash line. Just kind of press it on. So it clips together. And voila, the lash is on. Literally seconds. No glue, no mess, no nothing. You know, lash sits perfectly in a place and it will last all day long. Okay, so eye makeup nearly done. Like on a lower lash line, I would just apply a bit of this orangey shade and mascara. Next thing I always do before I go with a lower lash line, I apply the foundation. So for foundation, I'm just using my go-to one. Then NYX Cancel What's Up in medium olive. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do is a little bit of contour, so I'm coming back to the Conceal and Define Infinite Concealers in C2 and C12. You can just go with a powder contour, but I'm just so used to doing this, so it doesn't take much time for me. Or you can just go with BB cream if your skin is, you know, beautiful. Perfect. Mine is not, obviously, so that's why I need this. Right, what's left is just to set it up and do a quick like bronzing and some highlighter, and that's it. Honestly, this is like my go-to, and as I said, if I'm, you know, on the pressure, I do this in fast. Okay, so for setting powder, I'm coming back to the same one, Revolution Conceal and Fix Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. Alright guys, we're nearly there, so a little bit of contour. I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Sculpt Bronze one. Alright, so a bit of a highlighter and then just to finish off a lower lash line. So for highlighter, I'm going with the Glass Black Eyes Illuminator by Revolution. Alright, so lower lash line, coming back to Huda Warm Brow Obsessions. Same brush I used before, because I said, like, if I'm in a rush, I'm in a rush. I don't, you know, fluff around with loads of brushes and anything. I just try that, you know. So this orangey color we used before, and go all over the lower lash line. Start from the middle, and then drag out the corner and an eye corner. Some mascara, and we're done. So coming back to see mascara. This always happens, man. just leaving this to dry before tying up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna apply the lippy. This is my absolute go-to lippy. This is NYX Lingerie in Ruffle Trim. Actually, all these products that I use for this makeup look is my absolutely go-to. The ones that I would use normally and I'm in a rush, you know. Plus this lip is so like perfect. It's like perfect nude. And it wears so good. Like NYX Lip Lingerie range is just my absolute favorite. This lip is literally my favorite. Like this NYX Lingerie liquid lipsticks is so good. It wears so nicely. Like I never did a video about it even actually, but this is my absolutely favorite liquid lipsticks. I have every single color they ever released, I think. Just I'm obsessed. Okay, time to clean up this. It should be dry. Yeah. Just take a spoolie and just kind of rub it up gently. And voila, our makeup look is complete. Easy as that. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys find this video helpful, so please don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And if you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please send me your pictures as I would absolutely love to see those. This is honestly my go-to glam look, daytime glam look, whatever you call it. This is my go-to makeup look. This is what I do when I'm in a rush, then I don't want to think of what makeup look to go for. This is, yeah, my go-to. Perfect for hooded eyes as well, and the colors I use are so neutral and, you know, daytime appropriate as well as perfect for the evenings. Yeah, this is my go-to makeup look. And honestly, if I'm under pressure, I do this very, very fast. I mean, my husband is surprised how I managed to do this super fast. I'm like, okay, I'll be done quick. You know. So yeah, I really hope you find this video helpful, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Enjoy your day, guys. I really hope you guys found this video. I really hope